so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the May Fruit for Thought. If you are new here, my name is Kitty. I post videos of unboxings and beauty content every single day. I would love if you joined us. I believe by the time this video is posted, my 9,000 subscriber giveaway should be live, so if not, look out for it soon, but I think I've got my plan down. But anyways, that will be linked down below. It's a big thank you to you guys for all your support. I love you so much. Anyways, let's get back to today's box. So Fruit for Thought is a monthly subscription. It always has a really cute theme centered around fruits and vegetables or like food. You get 5 to 7 items every single month and it is $39.99. I do have a promo code that is not affiliated, meaning I don't make commission, it's just to help you guys out, and that will save you 10% off your first box. So I will leave all that information down below, and yeah, let's get started. Hopefully my energy doesn't seem like too off today. I've been not sleeping well lately, and that time of the month just started today, so I just feel a little blah, but opening boxes always makes me feel so much better, so that's what we're gonna do. So this is what it looks like when I open up the box. It's all wrapped up cute, a little fruit ribbon, purple tissue. Oh, awesome. I wasn't sure what the theme was for the month, but the May theme is Lavender Lemon. I love both of those scents, and I love lemon, pretty much everything, like lemon flavored. And they do give a sneak peek for June. The June theme will be Blueberry Garden. Nice. And then on the back it lists the items inside. It doesn't give you pricing or anything like that. Maybe for one of the items actually. Some of the items have prices in this month. There's another card right on top. What does this say? It says free download bundle by Arlene Marie Designs. It includes one 8x10 PDF, one 8x5x11 PDF, and one 11x4 PDF, and one 16x20 PDF. Oh my gosh, that's awesome! I was seriously like just thinking about hanging up some art pieces. It's actually on my to-do list today. I just looked over there because that's where my list is, to hang up some art, so I should print these out. That's awesome! So a Lavender Lemon Wall Art Bundle is a trio set containing 2 lavender plants in one center lemon bouquet, and it can be printed at home or with the print shop. And there's a code here to get 40% off. So again, here is what it looks like. Isn't that so pretty? I will definitely do that. I love that. That's the first they've included something like that in a box that I can recall at least, I'm pretty sure. Now let's move on to the actual items. So this is Urban Essentials Lavender Essential Oil Towelettes, and there's 7 in here. This is what the packaging looks like. Love it, so pretty. So Urban Essential Oil Towelettes are made with the highest quality pure essential oil, which not only makes them smell amazing, but makes them naturally uplifting and rejuvenating as well. The most common use for the towelettes is to clean hands, but there are millions of ways to use these wonderful wipes. You can use them to also remove makeup or clean your makeup brushes. Cleaning my makeup brushes is also on my to-do list. I'll see if I actually get to that. That's always the thing I put off the most. So it gives you other ways to use it. I love the idea of using it as a hand cleanser. So when you're on the go and stuff and can't wash your hands, I don't even need to say why it's important even before everything. That would be really convenient. I'm not going to open them now just because I don't want to waste any. I just actually wash my hands, but it is a resealable bag, which is super convenient. Next up, got lemon, replenishing lemon iced tea. Ooh, that sounds really good. And how cute is this packaging? So this is by Too Good Gourmet. And it says, to enjoy this delicious beverage, you add mix to 12 ounces of water, stir, chill, and enjoy. Oh my god, I totally am going to make this. So I wonder if there's caffeine in this, because I could totally use some. Either way, I will definitely make this. I have a beautiful pitcher I actually have out in my kitchen to remind myself to make iced tea, so good timing. We have another lemon item here. It looks like it's a little container. So the Lemon Keeper. Oh, nice. I actually have some limes. I don't have any lemons right now, but I'm sure it can use it for both. So it's supposed to keep your lemons fresh, I guess. It's 100% made in Italy. It's BPA free. And it looks like you can wash it in the dishwasher, so love that. Cute. Definitely will get use out of that. I am so excited. I've gotten cookies from this company before in this box, and they were my favorite cookies of all time, and now lemon flavored cookies, lemon cake batter cookies. Oh my gosh, this makes my fat little heart so happy. Chewy and soft and delicious. Their cookies are seriously so good, and they really are so chewy. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I seriously went on their website, was going to purchase more of their cookies, so then I had a bunch in my cart. I'm like, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be dieting, but you know, I already mentioned that time of the month. I'm gonna treat myself tonight and probably eat this entire freaking container. So I am so excited. Have you guys tried this brand, Too Good Gourmet? Their cookies are seriously amazing. It says refreshing, soft, delicious lemon cake batter cookies loaded with tart lemon flavor and hand drizzled with a sweet icing glaze. These amazing cookies are made with real cake mix in the batter and are baked using a special process to hold their moist lemon intense flavor. Too Good Gourmet was started by a mother-daughter team with a passion for cooking and a love for working together. All our family-inspired recipes use only the highest quality ingredients, just like you would in your own kitchen. I love that. I'm so happy right now. Yay. Oh, this is so cute. We have a little magnet here and it says beautiful, and this is by Primitives by Kathy. I've received other items from her before and I have them throughout my house. They're always like made from wooden blocks like this, usually bigger, but this is a magnet, I can tell because of the back of it. I think this is so pretty. So it looks like we have like some lavender plants there and some like daisies, and look, there's like this detail here. I'm gonna put this on my fridge right after filming. It's called the Stitched Block Magnet Beautiful. Next up, I bet this is a bath bomb. How pretty is the packaging? The Lavender Rosemary Bath Bomb. This is by Michael Design Works, and it's hard to smell through the paper, but I love the scent of lavender, and I like rosemary too. I've been using some rosemary essential oils. So it says to use, completely unwrap this luxuriously scented bath bomb and drop it into your drawn bath to revive and rejuvenate. This is like so pretty, I don't want to take the wrapping off. I was just talking with my mom last night. I'm like, or actually it was my aunt I was talking to about it, but I'm like, I want to start taking baths again. I have this beautiful big bathtub in my bathroom in my bedroom, and I really should use it. But it looks like that was everything for this month. I think this was such a great month. I love lemon, I love lavender like I already said, and okay, I'm not gonna lie, the cookies are my favorite item, and my stomach is like growling thinking about them. And then those lavender like hand wipes or the multi-use wipes, you can use them for, like they said, all those different reasons. I didn't even list them off altogether. Oh, it says you can toss it in a lunchbox, so that's nice. So if you bring your lunch to work or school, you can clean your dog with these. It says even wipe counters, phones, keyboards. Yeah, so I will definitely use these. It says great for travel. Sure is. Hopefully we'll all be traveling soon. And the other lavender item we received was the bath bomb. And lavender is such a good scent if you take baths at night to like really relax and wind down. Maybe I should do that tonight and see if that helps me sleep. We have our lemon themed items, iced tea in the lemon container to keep your lemons fresh. The pretty little magnet that has a lavender plant on it. Oh, and I forgot about this almost. I'm really, really excited that we get some art prints as well. I think that is so awesome. I have to see how it prints at home. Maybe I'll have to send it to a print shop. What is a print shop? Like, do you guys have an example? I'm like really tired and blanking right now, but I could just Google one for nearby. But I think these are so pretty. I think this is such a great box. I would love to know your thoughts down below on what you thought of this box. And again, I will leave the link down below along with that promo code if you're interested in subscribing. That'll save you 10%. And it should be live if you have not entered my 9,000 subscriber giveaway. I would love if you did, because I can't wait to get back to one of you guys, because you guys really are the best. It means so much to me, your support. And yeah, I hope you guys are all well, that you're safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.